Someday we want ask these people ready for government for Nigeria. APC political party. They were elected to make life better for the people. They were elected to make a change, to turn things around for good. But ever since APC came to power, it is one story, one drama upon one drama. Every day different story. This time around, it is the presidency versus the Senate president. For what is going on right now is a shame to the country. Accusing the Senate president that is involved in the armed robbery case, that he sent some thugs to go and kill and rob people. It's a shame to the nation. And as we speak, some European ambassadors and American ambassadors, they are all interested in the case. They are all having meeting with our Senate president because it is beginning, to clear that this government is always against opposition. They don't want anybody to challenge them. They want to silence any opposite voice, any opposition. That is anybody that is against them. Well, I have a question, like I said before, just a simple question. These criminals that confess that they use our Senate President, Senator Saraki car to rob and kill these people. They did not really say that Saraki sent them to go and do it. They never confessed like that Saraki sent them. And again, the main question is that why although the police, they said the Senate President Saraki should come to police station, but later they said no, he should not come. We should put it on letter to them, because the Senate invited the IG of police before, he refused to come. Now the police, the IG is inviting the Saraki, and they know he will not come. Maybe that is the reason why they said you should put it on letter to them, or maybe they know that their evidence is not big enough. They don't have enough evidence to nail him. Maybe that is the reason why they said you should not come. But my question, like I said before, is that why is it that somebody confessed that Senator Saraki sent them to go and rob and kill? Now the police is in action to arrest Saraki. We have the Mayeti Allah group, their leader, confessed before on national television that they killed that 78 people in Benue just because of somebody stole their cow. They said it openly on national television. Why that they don't go after people like that? We have Fulani that is killing people in our country. Why the police is not in action? They are not in haste to arrest people like that. Now somebody just confessed that Saraki sent them to go and kill and rob, and they are after Saraki. That is what, because we don't support criminal, but the truth is what we stand for. Because the way things are going on is like this government just want to silence any opposition, anybody that is against Buhari. They just want to silence them. That is what this drama is all about. You all saw what happened to Dino Malaye. Now it is Saraki. Anybody against Buhari, the police is after them, ESCC is after them. So my question is that the Fulani Esma be killing people. No, police is not in action. They are not in haste to arrest them. They never sent for the leader of Mayeti Allah, Katugupu, confessed on national television that they killed us 8 people in Benue. Why Saraki? But we don't support criminal, but the truth is what we stand for. We don't support this idea of trying to silence any opposition voice that is against Buhari. We know what this government is all about. Remember in the 80s, they accused Fela of armed robbery. Fela, armed robbery. So this government, this is what they do. That's what Fela know how. That's what Fela know best. That's what Fela know how to do. Is to silence every opposition. Anybody that accuse him, that criticize him, must go. So that is the thing I want to talk about. So simple. Thank you.